Hey guys, so today I can show how to create this kind of bullet hit effects in Houdini. In this tutorial, I can show how to create these laser things and the particle hit thing, and how to import this Mixamo character in Houdini, and how to download this Mixamo character, and how to attach these props and in this tutorial we can show everything. So this is the file. Don't worry, I can start from the scratch. So let's get started. So guys, here is my file. The laser. So don't worry, I can start from the scratch. So now this character. So in this character, I using the Mixamo character. This character I downloaded from the internet. So how can download this character? So you can go the Google and you can go to this mixamo.com. You can, if you are not signing, you can sign in. So here is multiple character and the animation file. You can find out which you want. So here I just can, here is the one the character. You can choose any of the character which you like it. Uh, if you want to choose any of the character, I choose this character. So it's take time loading. So here is the character, and you want some animation. So need the animation, you go to this tab animation tab, and here is the clip you want, which clip you want. You can download from. So I need some firing in this character. So you can search the fire. Okay, so you can get this rifle firing in the arrow. So if you want this character, this animation, so you can get this kind of animation in this character, which we have picked from this character. So, and you can download from here. So here is the frame rate, you can see it. Here is also frame rate, you can see it. And you can download it. So you can choose any of the, if you want to uh, increase the minus some frame rate, so you can get, and you can download it from here. In downloaded format, you can choose APX binary, and you set this frame rate into 24. If you download it in 30 fps, you can need to change in Houdini 30 fps. So you can change from 24, and you can select which skin. If you unselect that, you only get the skeleton, not skin. So you can choose with skin, and the keyframe reduction you set none. It's okay. Okay, and press the downloaded thing. Okay. Okay. So I downloaded my character and how to import this character. How to import in Houdini. Okay. So in geometry now, region setup, and here is the one agent node. Here I guess you can type the agent node, and here you can select this input. You can select to character rate to APX, and choose the file where you download. So here is the file, my APX file. You can click and import. So you can this character. This character is keyboard because This is only t-pose. We don't need the animation. So if we need to the animation, so there is the one node, uh, the agent click node. That is the agent click node. Okay. Sorry. The agent click node, and you can import the our animation. Okay. So how to import this? In the input parameter, you choose to character FDX, and you can choose this filing file which you have downloaded. The same file, same FDX file, you can select, and nothing happens. So we need the locomotion, and you can name this character, this animation. You can name this animation. The animation name I should be gun. Okay. And in the locomotion no, in the current clip, you can choose the gun file. So we need, if I choose the gun file, so there is the animation. Yeah, here is the animation. Okay, there is it. This is the animation. Okay, if you see in my file, we have the props in our hand, the gun in our hand. So how can add this gun in our hand? Okay, so how to add this prop in our animation? So how to add any props or any object? How can I add it? So there is the one node, the agent layer node. Okay, agent layer node, and we need any object. So if we have tube, okay, so make it tube. This is my character media tube. Yes, with more things and share. So we have some transformer to this. Should be very small. We set it to make to the hand. Okay. So in the agent layer name, there is the shape geometry node. Okay, important here. In here, if the attribute name attribute does not exist in shape geometry, so we need name attribute. This name attribute shape geometry. So here is the attribute. We want to create attribute. Create should be primitive string, and the name is T if you want anything. So get the tu string attribute. Okay, so we have nothing happening. So in the shape view, here is the need the name. Okay, is default position, and here is the so here you can set the name is attribute name, and you can set the name is gun and whatever you want, and here you can choose this to gun, and this name should be copied there, gun adding shape. Oh, it's somewhere here. So in the shape binding name, okay, you can choose where you want this shape. So we need this object in our hand. So here is the uh, transform name, the shape binding name. You can choose where you want. So I need to choose in right hand. Okay, right hand. Okay, so we do not see anything because of we need to this transform scale multiply by 100. Okay. So, um, so in transform node, you can choose a one color node, and you can color this bar to read. So you can notice where is the geometry color, and you can obviously, yeah, you can adjust from here how to select it, how to translate, and how to rotate. You can rotate according to here. You can see, and if you play it attach. Okay, so you can add any props if you want. You can add any props like any gun, everything which I add in my raw file in my setup. Okay, you can add multiple file also if you add a sphere, and you can create something, create attribute name, and you can name this to sphere. Okay, and you can merge with this and this, and here is the one option you can, and one option is you can add see to sphere and copy it from here. Okay, and color this sphere also. Okay, and this color should be okay. Okay, and add the default shape, and you can make a transform now. Okay, and you can select here to sphere, multiple file. You can see this thing. So we need this thing into here for the sourcing thing. So you can transform. You can transform and attach. Attach with the gunpoint. Okay. And close. So you can attach multiple objects. Okay. So this is the first part, how to uh, import this agent and how to um, attach the props in our hand. Okay. So next video I can show how to create the laser thing and everything. Okay, good. Thank you.